So you want to learn how to draw eyes? So let me break it down for you. So my process in rendering eyes, I start with the base color, the shadow, and the small details. Lastly, the highlights. And I know it might be different compared to how other creators render their eyes. So today I'll be teaching how to render your eyes, stylized and just plain and simple. So I'll start rendering with the base color, followed with the shadow. So I start adding small details and adding more darkness on the shadow to give it more volume. Lastly, the easy part, the highlights. Next example, let's forget skin rendering. Pro gamer move, if your sketch is darker than your color, go to opacity and lower it. Lower it till barely you can see your sketch. Then start adding your base color. And since I lowered the opacity on our sketch, let's darken it and add the eyelashes as well and other smaller details. And lastly, your highlights. And there you go.